Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the spanning tree protocol. So, before we learn about the spanning tree protocol, we will discuss about the three problems without spanning tree protocol. So, which are the loops, MAC address instability and duplicate frames. So, before we learn about these three problems and what is spanning tree protocol, we will discuss about redundancy. So what is redundancy? Redundancy means that two switches can be able to communicate using more than one path. Redundancy can help the network when a link is failed as many paths are there to reach the destination. But this can also create an issue, which is the switching loop. So here we have an example network to explain the switching loop. So here we have 3 switches and 3 PCs and a packet from PC1 which has the destination has the PC3. So PC1 sends the packet to switch 1 and switch 1 floods the packet. So when switch 2 and switch 3 receive the packet, they also flood the packet. So switch 2 will flood the packet to switch 3 and PC2 and switch 3 will flood the packet to switch 2 and PC3. So again switch 2 will flood the packet because it received the packet from switch 3 and even switch 3 also will do the same. So now when switch 1 receives the packet from switch 2 and switch 3, it also floods the packet. So this will take place continuously. So this is called switching loop. So next is about the MAC address instability. So now there is a packet from PC1 again which wants to reach PC2. So when switch 1 receives the packet, it floods the packet. So when switch 3 and switch 2 receive the packet, they see that the source MAC address is from the fast Ethernet 0/1 port. So again when they flood the packet, they see that the MAC address is same but the port is different. So they continuously change the MAC address or change the port in their MAC address table. So this is called MAC address instability. So the next problem is the duplicate frames. So again we have a packet from PC1 with the destination of PC2. So when switch 1 receives the packet, it floods the packet. Now if switch 3 knows the destination which is PC2, it will forward the packet correctly to the destination. So again switch 2 will flood the packet because it received the packet from switch 1. Again switch 3 will forward the packet to PC2 because it knows the destination. So now PC2 has received the same packet twice. So this is called duplicate frames. So how do spanning tree protocol avoid loops? So here a spanning tree protocol will block a port in the network to avoid loops. So let's see how. Now PC1 sends a packet to switch 1 and switch 1 will flood the packet. Again now switch 2 will flood the packet to switch 3 and PC2 and switch 3 will flood the packet only to PC3 and not to switch 2 because the port is blocked. So now hereafter there is no flooding which will take place because the packet is sent to all devices now. Switch 3 cannot send the packet to switch 2. So this is how spanning tree protocol avoid loops. So in the next video let's talk more about the spanning tree protocol. Thank you.